Alright guys, today we're going to be insulating the doors. We're going to be putting some soundproofing on it, and then eventually I'll be putting some like jute material on it. So let me show you the material that I'm going to be using. It's stuff that you can get from Lowe's. It's roofing material. So let me walk you through it. Alright, so this is the stuff that I'm going to be using. It's called Peel and Seal. It's like a black rubber material with aluminum coating over it. This stuff's pretty good. I've heard that it's pretty close to what you'd have in like the other type of soundproofing, like Dynamat and other materials like that. This stuff I've heard does not give off an odor. When it gets heated up inside the car, you don't tend to smell it as much as some other brands. And this stuff also stays on the vertical edges, you know, the door panels and whatnot, without sagging. So what we're going to be doing today is insulating these two back quarter panels. I'm going to be putting some soundproofing in that one and some soundproofing in this one. Okay, and then eventually, after I build my whole deck and lid to cover up this area, speaker box and all that, underneath all that I'm going to insulate it as well. So I'll put this peel and seal down, and then I'll put some jute material, and then I'll put the carpet over that. So hopefully it'll deaden the sound really nice, and you know, so you don't hear all the road noise in the engine. So as you can see here, this is the aluminum side. It's got paper on the backing that you have to peel off, okay? And then it'll stick to whatever material you put it down to. The way you're gonna cut this, you can either use one of these type of knives, some sort of box knife, or even a pocket knife will do it. And then just score it across from side to side, whatever length you need, or angle, or whatever you need. And then just place it on the panels. Alright guys, so that's what it's pretty much going to look like. One thing I want to let you guys know is you need to get a tool like this. There's a little roller on the ends, usually for linoleum floors. And you just want to roll it down, push it down nice and tight every spot you can, just so you have it attached to the metal, because the more of it that's attached to the metal, the less vibration you'll have in the metal. So I'm going to get going on this side now, and then we'll be done. So here's a little tip when you're putting it on. Push it up in tight where you want it, okay? And then just push it down. Now, I haven't taken the backing off. You can see I haven't cut the bottom either. So what you're going to do is you're just going to push it in until you get that somewhat close to the same arc of what you want to cut, and then you can kind of eyeball your curve there, and then put it in. So that's what I mean by eyeballing your curve. You get it somewhat close, all the way around, and then peel it off and stick it to the wall.